The Vehicles page will help you keep track of your client's fleet. When you create a new client in your account, it only requires that you enter one truck. But what if that client has 2 trucks? Make sure you're focused on the correct client and then click Vehicles. Anything already entered in is available here for your review. And you can add a new truck or click this pencil to edit. Add new, pencil to edit. Now this customer only has 1 truck, so I'm going to edit a truck instead of adding a new one. But the process of adding a new truck will look exactly the same as editing this one. I'm going to start with the fleet number. This customer has only 1 truck, so it's a fair guess they only have 1 fleet, and the fleet number is easy. Next is the unit number, VIN, license plate, and base state. All the basics. After that, you've got a space to store vehicle details like the year, make, body type of the vehicle. Maybe the most important item on this page, since we're working on IFTA, is the fuel type. Different fuels can mean different taxes, so be sure you double check this field. Next is more information about the weight and the purchase of the truck. And finally, we're down here to the end where we have the registration date. Now you may be asking yourself, why is all this information here for preparing an IFTA tax return? The only things required here are the VIN number, unit number, state, weight, and fuel type. But we can pull all kinds of reports for you if you give us the information in the beginning. For example, we're working on reports for IRP registration like the Schedule B miles. And we're also trying to help you move your customer base to the cloud. So if you've got all this information somewhere, you might as well be able to access it from anywhere, right? Moving right along, the last item on the page here are the permit checkboxes. If you entered your permits in first, then these should be automatically checked for you. These checkboxes are used so that we know which trucks need to be reported on which permits. For example, if you have a fleet of 5 trucks, maybe 2 of them will go to Kentucky and 2 others go to New Mexico. And you need to know which truck is which. So you can use these checkboxes to indicate the permits that each truck actually has. And for IFTA and New York, you can also store the decal number that that truck has. Once you're done, just save, and you'll be good to go. If you have a lot of trucks to add, check the Data Upload page from Step 2 to learn how they can be uploaded instead of entering them one at a time.